Okay, this is cool. I bought this and I was doing some interior work on my truck. I'm waiting for more fabric to come. That's in another video, but doing this diamond stitch pattern. But in the middle of that, I found the snaps to put a canvas cover on, like on a boat cover or something like that. I figured out how to do that. And then I figured out that they sell these decorative snaps. And they're kind of cheap here on Amazon. And I don't wear this hoodie that much. This is my business. Because my head didn't fit in the hole too good. So I cut it and then it ripped a little bit. So I'm going to put a snap in there. Actually, probably 2 snaps. So basically what you need is a leather punch to punch a hole in there. And then the one kit I had, just plain snaps that are black, came with a punch and like a die. And the die kind of looks like that, like a dish. And then this would sit in there. It's a little bit bigger than this, and then you would hammer it, and that's kind of a pain in the ass. So then I discovered this tool, and this is also on Amazon. And you're able to just pinch the snaps in there. So I'm going to start on this. First thing I'm going to do is pull that out of there. And then right where that hole is, it doesn't matter, but I'm just going to punch a hole. And this is just a leather hole punch. So there's a nice hole there. In this kit with this plier, it came with all these silver snaps. I just did a test one here and just put the backing to that, and then some dies, some other tools. This is all you really need, is this, and then the punch makes it nice and easy. Basically, this kit here is all you would need to put snaps into something. So this was just a button top, and then one of these slipped over. You would slip that through the fabric and sandwich it, and then stick it in there and just pinch it. So that's what this is here. It then comes with a screw that you can put that in, and that'll snap right into it. Or grab one of these and one of these. They'll go in the back side, sandwich the material, and pinch it. And then you'd be able to stick that on there. These ones are basic here, and then these ones are, they work the same way, they're just fancy. So these came in a kit, 4 pieces or 5 pieces of each. So we punched a hole on that side, so that'll be the top, that will be the bottom right there. That'll go on there, and then this will go on the back side, this will go on the top side. Will look like that. That'll be on the back side, and then you'll just be able to snap it. So the flat part is going to go in the cup, and then that little piece is going to go inside like that, and then you're going to squeeze it, and I should put the snap in there. So we just pull that off of there, and a snap there, and now we have these 2 pieces. We just got to put a hole there. You can kind of see where the hole was, so we're just going to punch another hole. Punched a hole. This one goes through here. Right there. And then like that, and we're going to give it another pinch. Okay, so these snaps are in. I had to just turn this a little bit more tight. They're a little bit more heavy duty than these ones, so they take a little bit more pressure. So then you just, so I just decided to do a quick, just all black one, the bottom there. So I got a fancy one. I didn't really need to put the fancy one there. I just wanted to see how it would look. And you got a button there. Obviously you could put it anywhere you want and pull it over more. I just didn't want it to be super tight around my neck. I could also put another one up here, one there, but that should be sufficient. It's just a beat up work hoodie. So this kit I think was 40 bucks here with all the dyes and this. And then I have another one of these that's a little bit bigger that was like 20 bucks. And then these were like 10 or 12. I might put some links in the bio there. And then I had these. This is just for like punching holes in leather belts. Alright, so this is those snaps, but this is what's in the truck. You see how the screws mounted. And this is what I made, this stitch panel here. I gotta put a backing on it because you can see daylight through it, and that is an afterthought. But you can just see, I put all these in there and there, and that tool is super easy, super cool. You do all kinds of crazy stuff. So I'm gonna get a backing, stitch that up, and make another one for this side. But that's what you can do with that tool.